In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Webmin on Ubuntu server. Hi, my name is Talhali and welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Webmin on your Ubuntu server. So Webmin basically is a web-based system configuration tool for your Linux system. It allows you to manage various aspects of your server through an easy to use web interface. And the best part of Webmin is it's free and open source. So we are going to install it on a virtual machine. So first of all, I'm going to go to my VMware workstation and I'm going to create a new virtual machine. Okay, so I'm just going to use Ubuntu server 20.04 and you can see it detected Ubuntu 64. Okay, so the virtual machine is just started, and as we selected the ISO file in the start, so it should automatically detect Ubuntu server. So here we are going to select English and then update, or you can continue without updating, but I'm going to update and install. Okay, and then we are going to select the keyboard language. That's going to be English. Ubuntu server, yes. Network is fine. Proxy address null. Mirror address is fine. Use the entire disk, yes. Yes, configuration looks good. Done. Continue. And I'm going to set a name for server and my name. So let's change this one to my name, and the server name is going to be Webmin. Pick a username, Webmin. Skip for now, continue. Yes, install OpenSSH. No package for now. Okay, so now the Ubuntu server is being installed and it's gonna take few minutes. So I'm just going to pause the video recording. Okay, so our Ubuntu server is installed now. We just need to reboot it and wait for it to load. Okay, let's log in with the Webmin user, what we created while installing Ubuntu server. Okay, so I'm logged in as Webmin user. Let me switch to the root user. Step number 1, we are going to update the package index. Okay, the package index is updated. Let's log in this Ubuntu server into the PuTTY application. So let's check the IP address by typing the command IP space A. So the IP address is 192.168.222.136. So 192.168.222.136. Accept. Login as the user, the password. Step number 2, we are going to install the prerequisites for the Webmin. I'm just going to copy the commands and paste into the PuTTY, and you can get all the commands in the description of this video. We are going to add Webmin GPG keys. We're going to add the Webmin repositories. Step number 5, now we are going to install Webmin. So it's 255 MBs and it could take from couple seconds to couple minutes depending on your internet speed and the hardware of your server. So for this virtual machine, I assigned 8 gigs of RAM and 4 cores of CPU. Okay, the Webmin service is successfully installed. So now we are going to access it with the IP address 192.168.222.136 and with the port number 10,000. And in the start, we're gonna type HTTPS So when you see this, your connection is not private, that means you don't have the SSL certificates. For that, we're going to click on advanced and then proceed. Okay, now you can see the Webmin interface. So we are going to use the same username and the password what we used for our Ubuntu server. So that was Webmin and the password is Webmin as well. Okay, so this is the graphical user interface environment where you can see. So let me show you what I was telling you earlier. I assigned 8 gigs of RAM and this is the local disk space. So you can see everything here. You don't need to type the commands for that. And other than that, what else you can do? If you go to under Webmin, you can back up your configuration files, and under system you can see there are like a lot of things you can do from this Webmin interface. You can set up like commands, bash scripts, and even you can manage the servers like SSH server and the user mail, and you can install more as well. So all I'm gonna say, it's the best thing for Ubuntu users who want to use the server in the graphical user environment and want to like ease their tasks. So for something really simple, let me show you. If you want to create a user, you just need to go to system, users and groups. Let me show you all the users this Ubuntu server already have. You can see this user what we created while installing, and it's showing my name as well and the directory as well. So you can create user by just clicking create a new user, type the username, user ID. Also you can set the password expiry, you can set the group as well, and upon creation, if you want to create a home directory for that user, yes or no. Create user in other modules, copy templates from home directory. You can do like a lot of things in this environment. For this video, I just wanted to teach you how you can install Webmin service on your Ubuntu server. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like the video, you think this video was useful for you, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And to be notified for my upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.